Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lattydesire. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another video using the aloe vera to treat my hair. Then I will be doing a protective style. So, since you guys wanted to see everything from scratch, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply the aloe vera gel to my hair. But before we go ahead, make sure that you guys are already subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to comment down below if you want to see more if you guys want to see more videos, more ear videos. Alright, let's just get right into it. So I picked the aloe vera already, so I'm gonna cut it up and squish. So let's go.
Ready for the vibe? Yeah. We living happy. We living free. Minding my business, doing what's right. I'm living happy. Yes, I'm alright. Taking chances. I'm doing just fine. Walking on sunshine. I'm living life.
Okay guys, so let's begin. So I'm just removing the skin from the aloe vera because we'll only be using the gel on the inside. Okay, if you're wondering why I didn't choose to blend it instead, the last time I blend the aloe vera, it leaves residue in my hair. If you watch the happy birthday video, my birthday video, you can go and check that one out also. You will see how my hair looks, and it was very hard to come out. Whenever I use this method, my hair is perfectly fine after. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna let this drain because I'm tired of it. If you have something like this at home, you guys, this work magic. This work way faster than using the spoon. So if you have something like this at home, use it. Get the work done faster. So my hair looks short now. Okay guys, so that bottle is filled with water, not the product on the inside. So I'm just using the water to detangle my hair. If you want to see a full video of me washing my hair, then using the aloe vera, you can go and check that one also in my playlist. That bottle contained the aloe vera gel that I just made. There's nothing added to it, nothing guys. Don't put any water, nothing added to it. If you have limited amount of aloe vera, you can pour some water in it, but there's nothing added to it. That's just aloe vera gel. So, I'm going to choose it and then continue the process. So you're going to continue using the water to detangle your hair after you apply the aloe vera gel, and then you apply the oil. You can choose whatever oil you use in your ear. Also, I will be showing you guys soon how to make the aloe vera oil, which helps to grow your hair pretty fast, but I'm just trying out this product to see if it actually works, which is the wild growth oil. My advice to you guys, if you really want to grow your hair, try not to use products that contain a lot of chemical ingredients. Try to use products that are 100% natural. Wow, look at my curls, so pretty. If you notice, the color of the aloe vera is changing to a darker, like a purple color, that's fine. Nothing is wrong with it. Just be careful not to wear any white clothes while you're doing this.